Welcome back to Full Sail Masterclass episode 3. I personally cannot wait for this. We are talking about oSAIL, so let's get straight into the video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trevin, or Trevin versus Gaming, and I'm the lead marketing person for Full Sail. My goal is to make Full Sail Masterclass as simple as possible so you can understand Full Sail at a more simple level, because there is a lot going on. So what is oSAIL? So oSAIL is our option token. So you're able to instantly liquidate, so short term, or if you're looking to invest into Full Sail long term, you're able to get something called veSAIL, which then goes into our prediction market and governance token. So now let's go hop into the Full Sail website and show you, because I'm a visual learner and you're probably a visual learner too. So if you do app.fullsail.finance, this is what the page should look like. And in our first video, we talked about swapping and how we have probably one of the best aggregators on Sui. In our second video, we went over the liquidity, which you're actually looking at right now, or called LPing. And if you haven't watched those videos, I highly recommend it. Go check them out below so you're able to get caught up for episode 3. So when you're looking at the APRs, you're like, oh my gosh, it's over 500%. Also, just to let you know, Full Sail for the most part has one of the highest APRs out of any DeFi protocol on Sui. So why aren't you using us? But when you hover over it, let's look at Sui and Ika, for example. You get 296% of oSAIL, and then you get 284% of Ika. When you supply liquidity, you get something called oSAIL, but then you also get whatever coin is attached to that liquidity pool. And when you click positions, you're able to see how much you've acquired of oSAIL, but then also Ika, for example, with this pool. And when you click on manage liquidity, you're able to see I have 24 oSAIL to claim, and then I also have 20 Ika. So let's claim those right now, and then we'll head over to the oSAIL tab to show you how easy it is. Okay, so the oSAIL has been claimed. Nice, super simple. And then right here, I love this. It says go to the oSAIL page. So let's click it. Once you click it, it'll show with how much you are able to redeem. So I've had some oSAIL in there before, so now it should all come together. And now I have a total of 32 oSAIL. And right next to it, it'll say action redeem. Click on that button. And this is the part where it's super fun. So you have different options because it's an option token. Nice. So you can either instantly liquidate, or you can put it into veSAIL for 4 years, so you get a 1-on-1 ratio. And in later videos, I'll be going over why governance token and also veSAIL is so important for the whole model of Full Sail, and why long term you're going to be making more money LPing and then using veSAIL. This is a self-sustaining gamified DEX that has not been done on Sui before. It's very confusing, but these videos will make it super easy for you to understand. So it will auto lock for 4 years since you're able to get the 1-on-1 ratio. But as time goes on, you could do 2 years or 6 months, but you won't get as much veSAIL long term. So now let's look at the 2-year gap. What does 2 years of locking up your oSAIL do? Well, 1 oSAIL is equal to 0.75 veSAIL and 0.75 SAIL after the unlock happens. And if you want to do 6 months, or kind of in a way paper hand it before paper handing it, then the number goes down dramatically. So for 1 oSAIL, you only get 0.07 veSAIL, and then after the unlock, you get 0.56. So there is a dramatic difference, and the majority of people lock it up for 4 years because every single week you get to predict the markets and earn some wonderful, juicy APR. Or if you want to instantly liquidate because the APRs are so high, you can also do that. So now let's just show you an example of how it works. Let's say I want to liquidate 32 oSAIL. Current price is 0.86 at the time of making this video, which should be September 29th. If I want to instantly liquidate, I then have to pay 0.43 USDC. So I get half for half. But if I do the 4 years, like I said, I get a 1-on-1 ratio for the prediction market. So obviously I'm gonna do the 4 years. Once you hit lock, it should show up with your wallet in the right hand side. Click approve and we're almost done. And just to show you guys why I lock up the majority of my oSAIL for 4 years, is you get to see the insane APRs for prediction and using your veSAIL. Mostly every APR is over 200%. And this is where full-sail succeeds between any other decks out there. You're able to use LPs to get crazy good APRs. You're able to either liquidate your oSAIL or put it into veSAIL, and then the veSAIL can be used for prediction markets. So it's a working clock wheel of amazingness that hasn't been done yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any questions about oSAIL, veSAIL, there's so much to cover, and my job is to make it simple for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any questions about full-sail, but don't worry, because I will see you on the sweet seas. Okay, maybe let's go with that.